Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you how to use the HTV Run Heat Press. So this is the power button. So I already turned it on. So this is the temperature. So I just have to click that. So it is in 400 degrees. So if you want to increase, so this is the increase and this is the decrease. So you just click it up. So it decreased by one. And this is if you want to change it, so you can press this button decrease, and once you are set, so you click this again, and then this is the timer, so I have to click that. So this also the increase, so 45 seconds you want to okay. There. So I just press it with press it down up to 15 seconds, and then just click this one, and then when it is green, so it is ready to use. And this is the drawer, so there's a special cloth. This is the pad, so the pad you can take it off, you can adjust it.